Hello, welcome back to the channel people. Today I'm going to be showing you a great feature on iPhone called guided access. Right, so first up from the main menu you need to click on settings, scroll down to accessibility, then scroll down again to guided access. As you can see, guided access keeps your iPhone in a single application and allows you to control which features are available. So put simply, you can lock your phone in an application or a game, give it to your child knowing that they can't do anything that they shouldn't, like make calls. Now all you gotta do is toggle on guided access, set a passcode in the settings and enable Face ID if you like. Once you've set your passcode for guided access, just back out of it to the main menu and open up the application that you'd like to use. Once in the application, triple press the side button and select guided access. Before you start it, you can select the options at the bottom where it comes up with a list of things you can toggle on and off. I personally only ever have motion, keyboard and touch on, but this is personal preference. When you've selected the settings you want to use, just hit done at the bottom, then go up to the top and click on start. Now you will see a message telling you guided access has started and to triple click your side button when you want to stop it. Right, well that's it for today's video. I do hope you found this helpful. If so, please do drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.